Hello and welcome to the HomeBinder and Dotloop integration setup video. I'm going to show you how to connect HomeBinder to Dotloop so that as soon as you close the transaction in Dotloop, it automatically creates a HomeBinder that you can give to the new homeowner and get that home owning journey started off strong. So you may wonder, what is a HomeBinder? I'm going to go ahead and let Jack from HomeBinder explain it.
HomeBinder is a digital 3-ring binder for homeowners to store, organize, and manage all their home information, including projects, paint colors by room, and even documents or photos. Your brand and information will stay in front of homeowners throughout their ownership, both on the website and on specific emailed maintenance reminders set up by the inspector.
Like I said, it's a really great closing gift. It's awesome. It takes a lot of the headache out of being a new homeowner, and it keeps you top of mind throughout the year with little branded emails letting them know exactly what kind of maintenance their home needs. My name is Gabe. I'm with API Nation. We build these integrations so that you can automate some of these business processes and your brokerage can run like a well-oiled machine. You get out there and close more deals. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to set this up. This is Dotloop. And to get to this integration, there's a variety of ways, but if you're in Dotloop, you're just going to go to My Account up here on the right, and then there's this Apps button, and we're going to go to Our App Directory. So here we go. Here's the Apps and Integration Directory, and you're just going to scroll on down. There's a few API Nation integrations, and now including HomeBinder. So I'm going to click Activate the HomeBinder integration. That takes me to the HomeBinder and Dotloop page, so we can start setting this up. You can read a little bit more about HomeBinder. They're an awesome product to save homeowners a ton of headaches. I wish I would have had one when I bought a home. It would have been great. I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's a piece of cake. So we need 3 things from our HomeBinder account: the API key, the API route, and the template ID. I'm going to show you real quick how to get those, and this will be a piece of cake to set up. So I'm going to toggle over to my HomeBinder account. I've just signed in, and there's a few places you can go. You can click here for settings, or you can also click account settings up here. In this column on the left, there's account automation branding. We want automation. That's what we're doing. We're automating. So here's our API key. I'm going to highlight that, hit Control or Command C to copy it, and I'm going to paste that here. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the API route name. And your API key and your API route name will probably be a little bit different. And the last thing we need is this default binder template ID. There we go. Copy that. And just paste that with Control V. There we go. API key is ready. API route, template ID, connected. Cool. HomeBinder is now connected. Now we just need to connect Dotloop. So we're just going to sign into Dotloop. Great, so it's that easy. We signed into HomeBinder, we signed into Dotloop, and all we have to do now is hit Start Sync. Great, so you can see the active workflow, sync Dotloop, close loops to HomeBinder. So as soon as we close a loop in Dotloop, it'll create a HomeBinder. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. So we started the integration, we're in HomeBinder. You can see there's all these example binders we've made for Betty Buyer. Let me show you how this works. So we're gonna go to Dotloop. So you're in Dotloop, you've sold the house. Now you wanna just hand them over the HomeBinder so that they can get their journey started, have all the details for their house, and get started off right. So we're gonna say, okay, so 123 Dotloop. Say sold, and I'm just gonna add the closing date. Closing today. It's 123 Dotloop Street. There we go. Now we're just gonna go over to HomeBinder, and we're just gonna refresh this page of binders. Here we go, Adam Wawrzyniak at 123 Dotloop Training Street, somewhere in Illinois. So we automatically created his binder. All the information that was in Dotloop about that property will automatically get put in that HomeBinder so that you can easily just share it. So you can just transfer it over to the new homeowner and really set them up for success for years to come. So that's it. That's how you connect HomeBinder to Dotloop. Really adds a lot of value to your clients as they get started with their homeowning journey. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We love doing this stuff.